Let's start with Chime. Chime is known for its simplicity and reliability. When you open a Chime account, you get access to checking and savings accounts, a Visa debit card, and an easy-to-use app that focuses on helping you save automatically. One of Chime's most popular features is early direct deposit. You can get your paycheck up to 2 days early, which is a huge plus if you're trying to stay ahead on bills or just want faster access to your money. Chime also helps you save without even thinking about it. The Save When You Spend feature rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and transfers the difference into your savings account. There is also an automatic transfer option that moves a percentage of your paycheck into savings each time you get paid. It is simple but effective, perfect for people who want to build savings without constant effort. In terms of fees, Chime keeps things light. There are no monthly maintenance fees, no overdraft fees up to a certain limit, and no foreign transaction fees. Plus, with Chime's Spot Me feature, eligible users can overdraft up to $200 on debit card purchases without penalty. The app's design makes it easy to see transactions, track spending, and set savings goals all in one place. Now let's talk about Varo. Varo takes a similar approach, but adds more flexibility and higher potential savings. Varo offers a full-fledged checking and savings account, both FDIC insured, with no monthly fees or minimum balance requirements. The big standout feature here is Varo's high-yield savings. If you meet certain conditions, like receiving direct deposits and keeping a healthy balance, you can earn one of the best interest rates among digital banks, far higher than what traditional banks typically offer. Varo also includes automatic savings tools. You can round up purchases or move a set percentage of every deposit into savings, similar to Chime. The difference is that Varo gives you more control. You can adjust how much to move and when. On the spending side, Varo offers a Visa debit card with cashback rewards at select merchants, helping you earn while you shop. From a user experience perspective, Varo feels a bit more feature-rich. It offers built-in credit-building tools, including the Varo Believe card, which helps you improve your credit score with responsible use. That makes Varo especially appealing if you want a full personal finance setup in one app. Spending, saving, and credit growth all connected seamlessly. Both banks are mobile-first, FDIC insured, and built for the modern user who wants to save money on fees while making everyday banking more rewarding. Chime is best for effortless saving and everyday spending. Varo is best for growing your savings faster and building credit along the way. Either way, both prove that challenger banks in the U.S. are raising the bar for what personal banking can be smarter, more transparent, and designed entirely around helping you keep more of your money.